Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every household: Aunt Fannie's Ultra Concentrated Floor Cleaner Vinegar Wash. This product isn't just any floor cleaner. It's the best floor cleaner disinfectant you can get your hands on. Let's start with what sets Aunt Fannie's apart from the rest. This ultra-concentrated floor cleaner is not only tough on dirt and grime but also gentle on your floors. It's formulated with natural ingredients, including vinegar, making it safe for your family and pets. And guess what? It's non-toxic. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about its performance. With over 18,000 ratings and an impressive 4.4-star average, it's clear that Aunt Fannie's gets the job done. Whether you have hardwood, tile, vinyl, linoleum, or any other sealed floors, Aunt Fannie's has you covered. Plus, it's super concentrated, meaning a little goes a long way. With just half a cup of solution, you can make up to 16 gallons of cleaning power. And here's the best part: it's not just for mopping. You can use it with mop buckets, floor cleaning machines, or even spray bottles for targeted cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to sparkling clean floors. That's right, Aunt Fannie's has earned the top safety rating from the Environmental Working Group. So, you can mop your floors with confidence, knowing you're using a product that's safe for both your family and the environment. So, if you're in the market for the best floor cleaner disinfectant, look no further than Aunt Fannie's Ultra Concentrated Floor Cleaner Vinegar Wash. Trust me, your floors will thank you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cleaning!